this still filming?
Yeah.
I think that's it. That was fun for a little bit, wasn't it?
Man, I was watching the DVR. It was like you sped in right into it.
I tried to turn. Is it done?
The camera's done.
Oh, the camera's done.
Did you have a GoPro up there too?
Yeah. Oh, the GoPro.
Here you go. Here it is. It looks like it's missing a door. Oh.
Is it done?
It's crushed.
Damn.
Done.
Oh.
Hope you got the ADP warranty.
Oh no, I can fix that. That's good. Oh, that's cool. Why'd you have me start off in a place with too many holes? Why'd you guys do that? That's your fault. That's your fault.
That's my fault.
No.
That's his fault.
Look. I'll just say this. I am the worst FPV pilot. I mean, I'll go for broke and be like, yeah, let's do this, and then I'll break everything I own. I mean, that's just it.
That's part of the plan. Break everything until you can't fly anymore. Fix everything you can fix. And then after you got it all broken again, it's time to go home and buy more parts.
Every time I post a video of me doing FPV, inevitably there's some punk out there going, stick to GPS drones, you suck!